For today's video, escape floor is lava for brilliance. This is my first giveaway in our Discord server. So I just congratulations to lucky winner Pelulu. Congratulations to lucky winner Pelulu, because before I did this video I spin a wheel, then she is the one who win a huge lucky blocks level 200. Wow, that is the best level in the brain now in this game. Okay, this is Pelulu. She chat me in Discord that she can't chat in the game. That's why. So here I'm waiting it to send in the global, so everyone in the server know I'm making giveaways in our Discord. So if you're playing this, join our Discord. Is here this the huge lucky blocks level 100. I make that using 27 secret lucky blocks in the spawn machine. Okay, ready? Okay, there's a cooldown 30. Ready to collect. So 27 secret lucky blocks level 120 to the spawn machine. It will give you 9 admin lucky blocks, then 3 divine lucky blocks, then you can get the huge lucky blocks level 200. Oh, that's so awesome. The spawn machine is so OP. Here, ready to collect. I'm gonna spawn the rainbow. Okay, we're gonna spawn 4 minutes. We want rainbow. I'm gonna make rainbow in 4 minutes with server lock 99 times. 999 lock server lock. Okay, go. Just wait for that time. So we are in the public server. I'm doing this super admin and also giveaways. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and comment in the video and subscribe so I can give more giveaways. So if I have 100 subscriber, I will make a super admin and giveaways to admin. So help me guys for doing that. My goal is 100 subscriber. Okay. Pelulu, what you want huge to see to spawn, or do you need for your rebirth? Pelulu, what you want to spawn, or do you want for your rebirth? So hindi na chat in the in-game kasi she can't chat, so she DM me in Discord. gonna spawn what we want. Okay, ready? It's 2 minutes. I will exact in the guaranteed secret. Guaranteed secret. Ready? Here we go. Before that, let's jump, dance, and it's raining tacos, rainbow glow, wiggle, fake dead, all of that, we're doing it. That's crazy, funny, and silly. Okay. Okay, here we go, guys. 1 minute left. I'm gonna make this server crazy. That's huge lucky blocks I will give him. And with galaxy mutation. Ready! Oh, invalid admin command. Because I put in the jump. Sorry. It's not announced. Ready? Level send. Here we go. We're gonna do it now. Just making the 5 seconds for guaranteed secret. Seconds. Ready? Going to do this. Here we go. Rainbow and 999 times server lock, and also divine lucky blocks. Wow. Let's do this, and after the 999 times server lock, we're gonna spawn the huge dragon cannelloni. Go collect them all. Wow, cappuccino closino, OG, and the rainbow mutation. Go, Pelulu, get it. Oh, we have 2, 3, 4 members in the server. Okay, let's do this. Jump, dance, tacos, rainbow glow, wiggle, and fake dead. All of them. Look at that. Oh, swag soda, OG rainbow. Let me look my index. If there is, I need to get it also. Top 2 can. Okay, let me go down and look some mythic. I need some mythic. Oh, there is no. Noob cactus, rainbow. Did I have that? Where is that? Noob cactus in the OG. Okay, I have that. So I don't need to get it. I will let them to get the OGs. Secret. Oh, there's so many. Oh, Consacor, I need this. I will have this in my index. Okay, oh, it's beautiful rainbow mutation. Look at that. Consacor. Oh, admin lucky blocks. Okay. Wow. Let me go down again. Oh, Compactino. Compactorino. Discalon. Dragon Cannoli. Yes. Let us who don't get anything. Who else? I will give this compact and the corn sahur because I just need this for my index, but I will give this to them. Ready, huge dragon cannelloni. 24 seconds before I send it again. So there's Pelulu again. I give this to her. She is so happy for that. Look at Pelulu. She's happy. Okay, here, huge dragon cannelloni. Here we go. I'm gonna spawn 2,000 admin points just for my subscriber. Okay, get it, Pelulu. Where is she? Did she get it? Let's see. I'm still in the top one. Okay, there she is. She get it. Congratulations. She is so happy. Okay, here's your huge lucky blast. This is here grand prize. Okay, level 200. I'm gonna give to her. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's also a galaxy mutation. Wow, she get it. She's very happy now. Okay, open. Try to open. Oh, you can say it. Let's do some jump, dance, tacos, premium globe, wiggle, and pick that. Wiggle. There you are. Let's send this. Try to open what you get. Let's see what she will getting it. Look. Oh, that's a Kaulisino. There you are. Wow, look at that huge lucky blocks. Open it. Open. Open. Want to see what you gonna get. Open. Open. Here we go. What you will get. Go open it. Wow. Look at that. Wow. It's a huge Rayuro. OMG. That's so awesome. Let's do some commands and celebrate. Wow. So crazy, guys. So, this is my first giveaway. So, guys, join Discord. If we hit 300 members again, giveaways. So guys, join. Also like and share the video, comment your user's name, and I will also pick one of the comment or subscriber that I will give free brain rots. So that's today. Bye.